If you're experiencing wheezing with exertion, shortness of breath, and fatigue, I'm going to show you 3 points that can help you with that. But before we go into that, the reason why this may be happening is because there may be a deficiency in the kidney system, according to Chinese medicine. And so the following 3 points can help you with that. They're going to be on the inside of the ankle, on the inside of the leg, between the ankle and the tendon, on that gap. This is going to be on kidney 3. The other point is going to be on the lower back, and I recommend using a heating pad right in the lower back to stimulate the area of the kidney, bladder 23 specifically. And then the last point is going to be on the front of the body, about 2 fingers from the below the belly button. This is a point called Ren 6. This is specifically to tonify the original qi in your system. It's called qi high, and is super important in giving the body energy. And all these points are geared towards improving energy and stimulating the kidney system to be able to generate more energy, be able to anchor the breath so there will be less shortness of breath, and alleviating those type of symptoms.